Hello, today is Tuesday, March 19th, 2024. I am Jason Shapiro with crowdedmarketreport.com. I was just going to give a little commentary on the market close today. There were two things really that I was watching pretty closely that I think offered some valuable lessons today. The first is, of course, NVIDIA, because that's every day the most important story. But in particular today, we had this NVIDIA AI conference or whatever. And actually, it was yesterday afternoon, and we came in this morning, and NVIDIA was down, about $30 right in the first half hour of trading, and people were screaming, "Oh, it's a sell the news event, sell the news event." And there's a couple good lessons here because I trade only sell the news events, okay, or possibly buy the bad news or sell the good news events. And what I've noticed of many years of doing that is that sometimes you'll get the sell the news event early in the day. And it's a bad idea. If you're going to do the sell the news event, you have to wait for the close. Let it confirm it on the close. Let it be down on the close on good news, right? A lot of times it'll be down during the day. And it's a trap because they all get shorted. They call it the sell the news, and then they get squeezed out of it, and it closes up. And that's exactly what happened. The video was down $30, and it closed up, almost $10 today. So all the people that just tried to sell the news event at 10:30 in the morning got squeezed all day and got crushed. So if you're going to do a sell the news event, you got to do it on the close. That's one, right? And the other thing about this NVIDIA thing is it just continues to be, as it has been for at least 10 months, I would say, everybody trying to pick the top in NVIDIA. It's everybody's favorite game and has been for 10 months. I've done videos on this before many months ago, right? If you can't come up with a better idea than shorting NVIDIA, then you're in the wrong game, all right? Hundreds of stocks you can short that are better ideas than NVIDIA, all right? Short the ones that are weak, not the ones that are strong, all right? NVIDIA will be a sell at some point, but it will give you a signal as to when. You can't just keep shorting it just because it's gone up a lot. That's the worst thing you can do. As a contrarian, you're shorting price, and it's just a bad idea, all right? The second thing today that I thought was interesting was the yen, because we had this telegraphed news event that the Bank of Japan was going to get rid of their negative interest rates. And it was telegraphed. And because it was telegraphed, it had been moving up for the last week. And of course they did it, and the yen went straight down. You're not going to make money trying to front run a telegraphed event, right? It just doesn't work over time, right? You want to be able to buy something that's not telegraphed, obviously, and then have it happen. And you're never going to know that, but the market will kind of tell you, and you'll see it on the tape, and you'll see it in the positioning. So interesting, again, on the yen. You try to buy a telegraphed news event, there's a good chance you're going to get racked, and that's exactly what happened in the yen today. All right, so those are the two things that I felt were important, at least from my perspective today. If you'd like to hear more about what we do, please check us out on crowdedmarketreport.com. Thank you.